Sometimes you gotta look your pride in the fucking face before you eat their fucking soul and their fucking money.
Let that man know.
I think you ate enough, man.
I don't think you ate enough. This is public shit.
What's good?
I usually do.
PinkSockGang back at it. Brandon, hey Daniel. Maybe not PinkSockGang, but he going up against Wayne. It's something special.
The worst member of that group.
The worst member?
The worst member.
Hey Wayne, come here. Hey, tell me how they started, bro. Tell me how it started. What happened, bro?
Smooth drop off in 2K, then niggas want to bring in the IRL, so yeah.
Yeah, what y'all playing for?
20.
For the 20?
I guess he needed, so hey.
What's the rules? What's the rules?
Ain't no rules.
Ain't no rules.
It's what a Brandon.
Alright. What's the rules? What's the rules, Daniel?
Roll to 6. Ones and twos. No complaining, no bitching when he lose. I ain't even want that to rhyme, but it did.
Oh, what? Alright. 2s and 3s to 21.
You know.
Daniel shot for rock. Wayne ball first. Let's get it.
DJ Eskimo let's get ready to rumble. Wicked tones, What's Metro Boomin want some more, nigga.
Oh, this boy trash.
My first shot?
You suck.
They losing for the. They playing for the dub too. He playing like that.
Yeah, bro. That's easy.
That's easy. That's 2 right there. That's 2 right there. Yeah.
2-0, 2-0. Oh, good move. That's easy. Don't reach. Too little.
But let's go. That's 4.
That's 4.
That's 4. That's 4 right there.
Whoa, no. What the heck?
Check out. Check the ball up. Check the ball up. Stop being scared. Okay. Ooh. Ooh! Stop playing with him! Stop playing with him! Stop playing with him! Stop playing with him!
That was a little foul. That was a little foul, man. That was a little foul. I wasn't gonna shoot that, but I mean.
Alright. Show us some. Show us some. Stop being scared. Oh! He missed it though.
My God, I had you so bad.
Yeah. Just take him to the car. 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 Take him to the car. Bucket! Bucket! What's that, 6? 6-2? Oh, step back?
No, sir.
Oh. 6-2 right here. Do something, hurry up. 2 for $1, 2 for $1. He break down. Oh, he made it. Okay, that's 6-5, 6-5. Come on, get straight to it with him. Get straight to it with him. Post spin technician. Silver. Post spin technician. Silver. Yes, sir. Put him in the post real quick. We ain't seen no post buckets. Oh my God. Oh, back down. Punisher, go. Intimidate. 8-5, 8-5. Let's get back to it. Hurry up.
what the fuck? Who told this nigga about my
Buckets!
I don't know who told this about my scout.
You better guard up. That's 10-5 right there. Oh, he blocked it. Oh, he blew it.
You too nervous, bro.
He blew it.
In the arms of the angel.
He blew it. Don't let him block you like that again. Oh, that's a bucket. Do something with it. He is. He ain't respecting the jumper. Shit, I wouldn't respect it either. But that's just me. Oh, that's a bucket.
Oh, sir, up and down.
He never jumped. He never jumped. He never jumped. He can't jump. He can't jump. That's a bucket, ain't it? That's a bucket, ain't it? Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him.
12-5?
12-5. That's a bucket, boy.
He didn't even. He said.
That's a bucket, bro.
12-5.
Oh, they hooping down there. We're gonna get into this right here, though. Oh. I don't know what that was. Alright, come on, you need a bucket, bro. You got the cold symbol next to you. Look out. What he gonna get him? 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 Okay. 12, say it. Oh, that was a 3?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Y'all might as well get straight to it with each other. Y'all might as well get straight to it with each other.
To that big body. Yeah.
Hurry up, boy. Make a move. That's a break.
I gotta back up. He ain't make that shit one time. Don't look at me. Bruh.
He need to. Oh, no, it's a bucket right here.
Bruh.
Oh.
Get that ball. Here comes it.
All right, so Daniel spit. I ain't want to show y'all that. So he got 14. Now he just hit the 2.
That's disgusting. All right, let's go. Oh, we blew another kid. Oh. Nigga, get the ball. This nigga no.
Yeah, I would let it go out.
Oh, goodness. You fucking ass. You big.
He a horse down there. He a horse down there.
I didn't try.
Daniel, did you not?
No.
Brandon seen that shit.
A travel?
Yeah, bro.
My bad. What's that? 14-8?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Watch that. We locked up. That's bruh. Oh.
Go ahead. Just go ahead and put this up. Oh! And 1!
That's cute.
16-8. You better start playing like it's for the bread.
I'm not playing like
Crazy, y'all. Rocking the baby to sleep.
Rocking the baby to sleep. Go ahead, do your joint again. Do your joint again.
Wayne look discouraged.
You looking discouraged. 16-8. You better start playing like it's for the bread. Go ahead, do your move real quick. Do a move. Bucket. Stop playing with him. You down 8, boy. He not playing like he want the bread, bro.
I'm gonna give me a backpack today.
Edit this is like all Daniel buckets to just put a montage of all when he's missing. Basically how it's looking.
I bet. Alright, come on, I got 3 minutes left. Top step, okay, break. Yo, get a bucket, yo.
16-11?
Yeah. 16, 11.
They doing the shit.
What they doing?
You little shootout jump.
Alright. You try to go bust their ass in it?
Huh?
Try to go bust their ass in it?
Hell no. They little kids. 18.
18.
18. Do the three.
Get a 3 off real quick. Get a 3 off real quick. That's game right there.
I didn't elbow you.
18.
All right, come on, Herb. You got a lot of catching up to do, bro.
You need a buck.
You ain't gonna catch up like that.
18,
All right, prove me wrong. Prove me wrong then. Prove me wrong then. Hurry up, passing the ball. 18-13. Come on.
18-10.
Do the three. Pop that bitch. We about to get that bitch.
That was actually nice, bro. I did not expect that explosiveness from you. Game!
Tell them to bring me my money.
Game!
I'm in PinkSockGang.
Game! He let us down! He let us down! He let us down, bro! Did he make it? Hell no! Bro! Why? Why? You lost!
21. I did just got elbowed. No, it's not that good. That was a foul. I got elbowed.
He a sore loser, bro. He's a sore loser. Hey, bro.
Hey, I guess so.
You did him, bro.
Let the beast out.
You need your
Let the
20.
beast. I'm ready to get a backpack.
Ooh.
I'm ready to get a 2K VC 75K bundle, nigga. I come with a backpack.